Hi guys, it's me again. Right, this is your really quick update. Now, I'm actually gonna film this, edit it, and get it uploaded today. So today is Sunday. Look at that, Sunday 23rd. But I'm gonna edit this video, make it really quick to give you an exciting update, which I am absolutely blown away by. I can't wait to show you, can't wait to hear your thoughts on this. Been down here, we've just put 20 litres of fuel in, 20 litres of Tesco's Finest Momentum. Took an age to start. If anyone understands that immobilizer system on like the Mark IIIs, because you turn the key, it'll turn, but it's just not firing, it's not getting any spark. Then all of a sudden, poof, it fires up.
It shocked me.
A previous owner told me something about the yellow relay that's sits on the engine. I've been giving that a tap and everything, like you said. Please get in touch again, I've lost your number, so let me know what the issue is with that, because the immobilizer keeps cutting in and cutting out. Anyway, big reveal, I've got seats. I actually got some seats, and these are a genuine barn find. I can't wait to show you these, but firstly, I always think that these barn finds, everyone talks about barn finds all the time, and they never are barn finds, apart from, unless you want an Espas. No one's ever wanted an Espas. However, I was talking to a bloke, right, and I was like, yeah, I've got this Transit, 1989 or whatever it is, Transit, and I'm restoring it, and I need some captain's chairs. Now, as you know, I was going to get like the T4, T5 seats, whatever. That was kind of what I was going for, because they look nice. I get chatting to this guy, and he's like, I think I've got some seats lying around somewhere. They've been there for about 25 years. I'm not really sure what they are. So I was like, oh, okay. So we go to the back of his barn, and he lifts up this tarpaulin, and in amongst loads of rat piss and nests and everything are these bad boys that I'm gonna show you in a couple of minutes. Oh my God, when I saw him, I was like, okay. And he was like, are they any good to you? And I was like, I think they might be quite good, yeah. I said to him, how much do you want for them? And we had this awkward thing. He was like, well, I don't know how much they're worth. And I was like, I know how much they're worth, but I'm not gonna tell you that. And he was like, oh, I don't really know. Should we have a little look on eBay and see how much they go for? And I was like, nah, let's probably not do that. And he went, I don't know. He said, how does 250 quid for the pair sound? I was like, hold out your hand. So I've done a deal. Ready? You've got to see these bad boys. These are going to be going in. They obviously need a massive refurb and a clean up, but he reckons these have been sat in a barn under a tarp for 25 years. Ready for this? Look at that. So, late 80s Recaros, Escort RS Turbo they came out of. They obviously are in a bit of a state and comes with authentic bird's nest or rat's nest or whatever that is. So we'll put a hazmat suit on, give them a clean up. But what do you think then? Those seats then are going to be going into the Transit. I think they work for the period of the truck. Hopefully you purists out there will be like, yes, I approve. I hope you all approve. What I'm going to do is get some captain's bases so that these will rotate, so we can turn them around, we can all have a lovely cup of coffee in there or whatever when we're at shows. Hopefully you approve. Please stick it in the comments what you think. I hope you like them. Obviously I do want to keep you guys happy, but I'm never going to keep everybody happy. Exciting stuff for this week. Because I've not been able to do a huge amount this weekend, this week I'm going to get the spec sprayed. I'm then going to get the rest of the truck primed. So I'll have the cameras on for that. So that'll be out next weekend. I've also been mental busy pulling people out of ditches who don't appear to want to be on the road anymore. Busy weekend, so I've not really been able to do much on the truck. So please stick with it. Hope you like the seats. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter and a string jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better prove that you're not worth the chase.